Welcome back, fellas, to this new video to Express. Today I'm going to be showing you in a very easy way how to get started and changing the date of birth into Epic Games. So if you mistakenly entered the wrong birth date when creating your Epic Games account, you have probably noticed that you can just change this in the profile settings. So Epic Games locks this field for security and safety reasons. To fix this mistake, you have to submit an official request to the support team. So the first thing to do, of course, is to go to the official Epic Games website and log into your actual account. Click into the support link at the top of the actual page, which you can see the option to say support. Use the search bar into the help page to type date of birth, like this. So I go for next, and if it doesn't appear like this, let's say continue. If you don't see the problem directly appearing in here, what you can do is to go into the upper right corner and go for my request. So here I go for start a new chat, and here into the actual chat, let's say for example I wanted, of course, to change my birth date, right? If it says the problem in more detail, let's say for example I was mistaken and I needed to change my date of birth, right? So have the Epic support assistance into the support form, select the Epic account as a product of your platform. So in the description, be clear and polite, say something like I am writing to request a recollection of my date of birth, and depending on your region and age, Epic may ask for a photo for a government issued ID or a birth certificate to verify the actual change. So you don't need to attach it now, but have it ready for the email reply. If you are a parental trying to change a child age, make sure to mention that you are the legal guardian in the actual ticket. So Epic has a specific parental request flow they may move you into. So when you click into the option to submit, you receive an information email and shortly after. So keep an eye on your inbox. The supporting agent will typically respond within 24 to 48 hours. They might ask for further account verification, like the original email used to create the actual account. So once they verify your information and update the date, the change is permanently. So you won't be able to change it in a second time. So make sure the info you give them is 100% accurate. It's a bit of a process, but it's the only way to fix your account age and regain access to the certain games features. So in my case, I just need to go for you like to speak with a membership or a support team, to hit into the option that says yes. In my case, of course, this will no longer, of course, be used for. So we are actually now good to go. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great things directly here into Epic Games. Once again, thank you and see you next time.